Welcome back to another episode of Forex Question and Answer, where we tackle your most pressing question about forex trading. I am Razak Adetoro, and today I will be covering some essential topic that every forex trader should know. Let's dive right in. Our first question is, what are the minor currency pairs? Minor pairs are currency pairs that do not include the USD. A common example is Euro Great Britain Pound. These pairs are less liquid than major currency pairs, but can offer good trading opportunity. Up next, we have what are exotic pairs. Exotic pairs include one major currency and one currency from emerged markets. These pairs can be more volatile and less liquid, so they come with high risk and potential reward. Moving on to the third question. What is bid price? The bid price is the price at which the market is willing to buy the currency pair. It is the highest price a buyer is willing to pay at a given time. Question number 4. What is ask price? The ask price is a price at which the market is willing to sell the currency pair. It is the lowest price at which a seller is willing to accept. And finally, our last question for today is, what is spread in forex trading? The spread is the difference between the ask and the bid price. It is essentially the cost of trading, and understanding it is crucial for managing your trading costs. That is it for today's forex question and answer episode. If you find this helpful, make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for an update. And if you have any question, drop them in the comment section below. Happy trading. See you next time.